Welcome to Poland, a country where history, culture, and natural beauty blend seamlessly. Located in Central Europe, Poland is home to breathtaking landscapes, rich traditions, and a deep-rooted heritage that has stood the test of time. Join us as we journey through its historic cities and UNESCO World Heritage Sites to explore its fascinating past and vibrant present. Poland, a land of rich history and undeniable charm. Situated in the heart of Central Europe, it shares its borders with Germany to the west, the Czech Republic and Slovakia to the south, Ukraine and Belarus to the east, and Lithuania and Russia to the northeast. And to the north, a stunning coastline along the Baltic Sea. Population: as of February 13, 2025, Poland's population stands at approximately 38,290,211, a nation full of life, resilience, and a deep sense of unity. Area covered, spanning an impressive 312,696 square kilometers. Poland is the 9th largest country in Europe. From towering mountains to picturesque lakes, its landscapes are as diverse as its history. Literacy rate. Education is a pillar of Polish society. With an outstanding 99.8% literacy rate, Poland takes great pride in its strong education system. Compulsory schooling lasts for 9 years, ensuring that young minds are well prepared for the future. The country also boasts a high enrollment rate in secondary and higher education institutions, shaping the leaders of tomorrow. Kraków, the historic heart of Poland. Our journey begins in Kraków, one of Poland's oldest and most treasured cities. Once the royal capital, Kraków boasts an enchanting medieval charm. The historic center of Kraków, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the majestic Wawel Castle, the bustling Main Market Square, and the Kazimierz District, a center of Jewish heritage. The Wieliczka Salt Mine. Just outside Kraków lies another wonder, the Wieliczka Salt Mine. Carved over centuries, this subterranean marvel features chapels, sculptures, and intricate tunnels, all made of salt. It stands as a remarkable testament to Poland's centuries-old mining traditions. Warsaw, the Phoenix City. Next, we arrive in Warsaw, Poland's capital. Nearly destroyed in World War II, Warsaw rose from the ashes through a meticulous reconstruction of its historic center. Now, a UNESCO heritage site. The city's skyline blends historic landmarks with modern skyscrapers, symbolizing Poland's resilience and progress. Wrocław, the city of bridges. Wrocław, often called the City of Bridges, is known for its picturesque canals and the stunning Centennial Hall, a groundbreaking architectural marvel recognized by UNESCO. The city's vibrant market square and Gothic structures make it a cultural hub of Poland. The birthplace of Copernicus, Torun, the hometown of renowned astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus, preserves its medieval charm through Gothic buildings and the old town of Torun, another UNESCO site. Walking through its ancient streets feels like stepping back in time. Zamość, the Renaissance Pearl. Moving to southeastern Poland, we explore Zamość, a Renaissance town designed in the late 16th century. With its beautifully preserved layout and architecture, it showcases a stunning fusion of Italian and Central European styles. Gdańsk, the city of freedom. On Poland's northern coast, Gdańsk tells a story of resilience and freedom. It played a crucial role in shaping modern history as the birthplace of the Solidarity movement, which led to the fall of communism in Eastern Europe. Auschwitz-Birkenau, a memorial of remembrance. No journey through Poland's history is complete without acknowledging its most somber chapter, Auschwitz-Birkenau. Located near Oświęcim, this former Nazi concentration camp stands as a haunting memorial to the millions who lost their lives during the Holocaust. It is a powerful reminder of the importance of remembrance and peace. Beyond its cities, Poland boasts breathtaking natural landscapes. From the Baltic Sea in the north to the Tatra Mountains in the south, nature lovers can explore pristine forests, majestic lakes, and the Białowieża Forest, home to the last remaining European bison. Poland has seen a remarkable rise in tourism over the years. With millions of visitors arriving annually, cities like Krakow, Warsaw, and Gdańsk are attracting global travelers, seeking cultural, historical, and natural experiences. From historic sites to vibrant nightlife, Poland continues to be a top European travel destination. Poland's ancient and medieval history. Poland's history dates back over 1,000 years. The nation's roots can be traced to 966 AD, when Duke Mieszko I adopted Christianity, marking the birth of the Polish state. The Piast dynasty laid the foundation for the kingdom, establishing Poland's first capital in Gniezno. Then came the Jagiellonian dynasty, ushering in Poland's golden age in the 15th and 16th centuries. During this time, Poland formed a powerful union with Lithuania, creating one of the largest and most influential states in Europe, the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth. The Commonwealth became a center of culture, science, and diplomacy, boasting a unique system of nobility-led democracy. But, despite its greatness, internal conflicts and relentless external invasions led to its decline. The final blow? The partitions of Poland in the late 18th century. Poland was divided between Prussia, Russia, and Austria, disappearing from the map of Europe for 123 years. Poland's struggles and independence. Despite foreign rule, Poland's national identity remained unshaken. Throughout the 19th century, Poles led multiple uprisings determined to reclaim their homeland. And then, finally, at the end of World War I, in 1918, Poland was reborn. Marshal Józef Piłsudski led the newly sovereign nation with hope and determination. But independence was short-lived. World War II brought unimaginable devastation. Poland became the first country invaded by Nazi Germany in 1939. Then, soon after, by the Soviet Union. The war left Poland in ruins with millions of its citizens perishing, including 6 million Jews in the Holocaust. The Warsaw Uprising of 1944 became a symbol of Polish resilience, yet it ended in tragedy, the near-total destruction of the capital. Poland under communism and the fight for freedom. After the war, Poland fell under Soviet control, trapped in the grip of communist rule for decades. But the Polish people, they never gave up. In the 1980s, a new hope emerged, the Solidarity movement led by the fearless Lech Wałęsa. Protests erupted. Strikes paralyzed the regime. The people's voices grew louder until, finally, in 1989, Poland held its first free elections. Communism collapsed, and Poland, against all odds, reclaimed its freedom. Poland's economic growth and prosperity. Poland's economic transformation stands as one of Europe's most remarkable success stories. Over the past few decades, the nation has transitioned from a centrally planned economy to a dynamic, market-driven powerhouse. As of 2025, Poland's gross domestic product, GDP, has reached approximately $915 billion, with a GDP per capita of around $25,041. This impressive growth is attributed to significant productivity increases, strategic integration into the European Union, and a strong focus on education and innovation. From 2010 to 2019, Polish labor productivity grew 3 times faster than the OECD average, bringing the country closer than ever to Western European GDP per capita levels. Today, Poland's diversified economy encompasses robust sectors such as manufacturing, technology, and services, reflecting its resilience and adaptability in the global market. Since then, Poland has rapidly developed, joining NATO in 1999 and the European Union in 2004. Today, it is one of the fastest-growing economies in Europe, while proudly preserving its rich history and traditions. Polish culture, music, and dance. Poland has a rich cultural heritage, beautifully expressed through its traditional folk music and dance. The lively, energetic Polonaise and mazurka are among Poland's most famous dances, often performed at celebrations. Folk music, played with instruments like the accordion and fiddle, is an integral part of Polish identity. Popular festivals in Poland. Poland hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, celebrating both history and modern culture. The Krakow Pierogi Festival showcases Poland's beloved dumplings, while the Wianki Festival in Warsaw is a midsummer celebration filled with music and fireworks. The Jagiellonian Fair in Lublin revives medieval traditions, transporting visitors back in time, while the Woodstock Festival Poland, now Poland Rock Festival, is one of Europe's largest free music festivals, bringing together thousands in a spirit of joy, unity, and passion for music. Popular airports and hotels. For those planning a visit, Poland is well connected with major international airports, including Warsaw Chopin Airport, Krakow John Paul II International Airport, and Gdańsk Lech Wałęsa Airport. These hubs offer convenient access to Poland's stunning cities and breathtaking landscapes. Accommodation options range from luxurious hotels, such as Hotel Bristol in Warsaw, Sheraton Grand Krakow, and Radisson Blu Gdańsk, to charming boutique stays and budget-friendly options. Poland's hospitality ensures that every traveler finds a place that truly suits their needs. Poland's story is one of resilience, culture, and beauty. From its medieval towns to its modern cities, from its painful past to its hopeful future, Poland continues to inspire the world. We invite you to explore, experience, and embrace the wonders of this extraordinary land.